AMD Ryzen 7000 gets a major price cut on Newegg, Ryzen 9 7950X now at $574. Newegg leads the Black Friday week in US sales by introducing new prices for Ryzen 7000 desktop CPUs. Thus far other large US retailers, such as Best Buy or Amazon, have not followed Newegg by lowering the price for Ryzen AM5 CPUs. However, Micro Center still offers a free 32GB DDR5 memory kit for all Ryzen 7000 purchases. This may still be a good deal, except this offer is for in-store pickup only. Newegg prices are a major discount from original MSRP. The 16-core Ryzen 9 7950X is now 17% cheaper at $573.99 while 12-core Ryzen 9 7900X costs $473.99 from $549. Gamers should also be interested in Ryzen 7 7700X with 8 cores and new price at $348.99, so a $51 discount or 12% lower price. The new entry price for AM5 platform is $248.99 with 6-core Ryzen 7 7600, which is a 16% discount. All four processors were released less than 2 months ago, but this does not appear to be an official and permanent price cut by AMD. However, similar price drops can now be seen at European retailers, with the flagship model now costing up to €200 less. For more information check the description below. If you like this video then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.